The NAEYC Early Learning Program accreditation standards are very important for every early childhood professional to know and fully understand. These standards fully set the foundation for the safety and well-being of any child under the care of a teacher or caregiver in a classroom or daycare setting. These standards fully outline every aspect that needs to be taken into account to ensure that each child is safe and well taken care of. Knowing and understanding these standards will help the early childhood professional create a healthy environment for each child that comes into its care. Following these standards will ensure that each child is kept safe and healthy while they are in the care of someone other than the parent, and will help the parent feel secure in leaving the child in the professional's care. One action that promotes child health and is consistent with these standards is ensuring that all teaching professionals are trained in pediatric first aid. Another action would be to ensure that all snacks and food are nutritious and that food is stored safely and properly.